Hello Pythonista, we are making a video for my YouTube channel. Can I ask you a few questions?
Hello, I specialize in artificial intelligence. Sure, ask away.
What is a Python language?
I'm not sure what you mean by the Piper. Could you please provide more context or clarify your question?
A Python language.
Python is a high-level programming language used for various applications such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility.
What mean Python is a high-level language?
In computer programming, a high-level language is a programming language that is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Python is considered a high-level language because it uses a syntax that is closer to natural language, making it easier for programmers to write code and understand what it does. This is in contrast to low-level languages, such as assembly language, which are closer to the machine code that computers understand, but are more difficult for humans to read and write.
What mean is an interpreted language?
An interpreted language is a programming language that is executed directly by an interpreter, without the need for compilation. In the case of Python, the code is written in a text file with a py extension, and when the program is run, the Python interpreter reads the code line by line and executes it. This is in contrast to compiled languages, such as C or Java, where the code is first compiled into machine code before it can be executed. The advantage of an interpreted language like Python is that it allows for faster development and easier debugging, as changes to the code can be made and tested quickly without the need for a lengthy compilation process.
What mean is an interactive, but give me a short answer, please.
An interactive language allows the user to execute code and receive immediate feedback, making it easier to test and debug code. In Python, this is done through the use of a Python shell or an integrated development environment, IDE.
Okay, then, what mean is an object-oriented programming?
Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that uses objects to represent and manipulate data. In Python, everything is an object, including integers, strings, and functions. This means that Python supports soup concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, making it a powerful language for building complex applications.
Thank you, Pythonista. See you again.